Welcome back to Auto Insider. Here are 5 common causes of a cylinder misfire e occur. Faulty spark plugs or wires. Spark plugs that are worn, dirty, or damaged can cause misfires by failing to ignite the air-fuel mixture properly. Damaged spark plug wires can also disrupt the ignition process. 2. Fuel delivery issues. Problems with the fuel injectors, fuel pump, or fuel filter can lead to improper fuel flow, causing a misfire due to a lean or rich fuel mixture. 3. Ignition coil problems. The ignition coil is responsible for delivering the spark to the spark plugs. If the coil is faulty or weak, it can result in weak or no spark, causing a misfire. 4. Vacuum leaks. If there is a vacuum leak, meter gel can enter the engine, disrupting the air-fuel ratio and leading to misfires. 5. Bad compression. Issues like worn piston rings, cylinder head gasket failure, or valve problems can reduce compression in the cylinder, preventing proper combustion and leading to a misfire.